Hello again, my name's Gabe Zolna. I posted a video about a man having sex with a palm tree in Florida. And I did a little bit of Googling, and I'm going to attach another video. Now, this video has been around since November 24th, 2015. And to show you how sick our society has become, this video has had 6,522,636 views. And the title, Woman Has Sex with a Tree, Now Marrying It. I've posted almost 14,000 videos. The most any one of my videos has had is, I don't know, about 130,000 views. One has had that many. And here, you got some guy that talks about a woman wanting to marry a tree and has sex with the tree, and that video ends up receiving 6,522,636 views. Now, if you go Google woman having sex with a tree, you'll get a whole lot of different pop-ups. I just happened to pick this one. There's obviously something seriously wrong with people that are so interested in something as sick as this is. Now, the question that has to be asked is this sick? If we're changing what's right and what's wrong and what's no longer right and no longer wrong, can this woman be considered to be mentally ill when we allow men to marry men? Or women to marry women? I don't know, folks. All I know is there's an advantage in being old. I mean, there truly is. Don't have to deal with this insanity a whole lot longer. And where this is all headed is terrifying. For my children, for my grandchildren, for your children, and for your grandchildren. When a guy makes a video about a woman sleeping with a tree, when you finish watching that video, it goes into another one. Woman sleeps with two pet dogs and films it. It's had 614,699 views. People are demented. They have to be to watch crap like this. But that's where it's all headed. Sick, sick, sick. That's sort of what I think. Tell me where I'm wrong. You can't, can you?